Hello, dear students. I am glad to meet you at our course. Today we are going to study plastic for construction. Let's start. We use plastic products to help make our lives cleaner, easier, safer, and more enjoyable. You will find plastics in the clothes we wear, the houses we live in, and the cars we travel in. Plastic building materials are rapidly becoming essential for all sorts of construction projects, from exterior applications like windows and doors to internal elements like floor coverings and cables. Plastic is polymeric material that has the capability of being molded or shaped, usually by the application of heat and pressure. This property of plasticity, often found in combination with other special properties such as low density, low electrical conductivity, transparency, and toughness, allows plastics to be made into a great variety of products. The development of plastics started with the use of natural materials that had intrinsic plastic properties, such as shellac and chewing gum. Shellac and bitumen are the natural resins used as plastic for a long time. The next step in the evolution of plastics involved the chemical modification of natural materials such as rubber, nitrocellulose, and collagen. Finally, the wide range of completely synthetic materials that we would recognize as modern plastics started to be developed around 100 years ago. One of the earliest examples was invented by Alexander Parkes in 1855, who named his invention Parksine. We know it today as celluloid. Polyvinyl chloride (PVC) was first polymerized between 1838 and 1872. A key breakthrough came in 1907 when Belgian-American chemist Leo Baekeland created Bakelite, the first real synthetic mass-produced plastic. The term plastic is derived from the Greek word plastikos, meaning fit for molding, and plastos, meaning molded. It refers to the material's malleability or plasticity during manufacture that allows it to be cast, pressed, or extruded into a variety of shapes, such as films, fibers, plates, tubes, bottles, boxes, and much more. The word plastic refers to something which is flexible or malleable. The word plastics refers to polymeric materials. These can be synthetic or natural, thermoset or thermoplastic, and semi-crystalline or amorphous. In the industry, the two terms are used almost interchangeably. Much of the industry literature has completely ignored the difference between the two, since few people actually know the difference between the two terms. There are two broad categories of plastic materials: thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics can be heated up to form products, and then if these end products are reheated, the plastic will soften and melt again. In contrast, thermoset plastics can be melted and formed, but once they take shape after they have solidified, they stay solid and, unlike thermoplastics, cannot be remelted. Use of plastics in different aspects of the construction industry includes flooring. Plastic materials like polyvinyl chloride (PVC) and polyethylene are used to make flooring less prone to wear and tear. It also decreases the sound pollution level and can be cleaned easily. Roofing. To protect the outer surface of the roof from damage, two layers of different plastic materials are required. The upper part is made of colored thermoplastic olefin or vinyl, while the lower part consists of polyurethane foam, which consumes less energy and keeps the interior of a house cooler. Insulation. Polyurethane spray is frequently used for insulation, when constructing green or low-energy buildings. Rigid polyurethane foam is known for its high thermal resistance, which promotes temperature consistency. Due to its closed cell nature, polyurethane insulation performs as an air barrier, resulting in significant energy savings. Wall. A structural insulated panel (SIP) is a sandwich of expanded polystyrene amidst two slim layers of oriented strand board. This type of prefab composite wall board can be transferred to the workplace easily for a particular task and provide good support to columns and other associated essentials during renovation. Pipes. Commonly made up of polyvinyl chloride (PVC) or polyethylene, plastic pipes are flexible and very light in weight, making them easy to install. All of these plastic materials are also highly chemical and water resistant, making them suitable for many extreme environments. Windows. Polycarbonate is used to manufacture building windows. This plastic material is strong, clear, and very light in weight. Polycarbonate windows are considered more burglar-proof than regular glass windows. Two plastics materials, vinyl and fiberglass, are used commonly in the production of window frames. Fiberglass is extremely strong, while vinyl is quite durable and also inexpensive. Doors. Some construction projects use doors made from a stiff polyurethane foam core with a fiber-reinforced plastic (FRP) coating. The sandwich structure of these doors makes them incredibly strong. Properties of plastics are color. Some plastics are completely transparent. Using pigments, plastics of any attractive color can be produced. Durability. Plastic offers great resistance to moisture and chemicals and hence more durable. Electrical insulation. The plastics possess excellent electrical insulating property. Fire resistance. The phenol formaldehyde and urea formaldehyde plastics resist fire to a great extent and hence they are used as fireproofing materials. Strength. The plastic strength may be increased by reinforcing with various fibrous materials. Specific gravity. The specific gravity of plastics is very low and hence convenient to handle. Ductility. The plastics are not ductile and hence they fail without giving warning. Fixing. Plastics can be bolted, drilled, glued, clamped, or simply push-fitted in position. Maintenance. There is no maintenance cost for plastic articles, it is they do not need painting and polishing. Rot and corrosion resistant. Unsustainable material. All polymers are technologically 100% recyclable, but only 14% of the world's plastic is recycled annually. Thank you for your attention, dear students. Next time we are going to study sustainable and green building construction materials. See you next time. Goodbye.